Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this evening? Well, we're back in action a little bit. Not that much. My back's a little bit better. And trying to get up right now. Got my internet back on. But that don't keep me from making videos. Just can't post them. Well, we got a 20-inch bar chainsaw right here. It's a Poulan. It's a farmhand. It's an older model. No primer bulb on it. Just a choke. And it does run. Made it pop earlier. The owner of it said that he can spray some WD-40 in the carb right here. And made it pop for a sec. So we're going to do a carb rebuild on this thing. And I think this is going to be my first whole chainsaw video. There was a choke right there and a throttle. Everything works. This is a good one. This is a 46cc if I'm not mistaken. Right at a 50cc saw. You know, with a 20-inch bar, and that thing has some compression big time. It's a farmhand Poulan Pro 295. Yeah, 46cc. Something like I thought there. Thought it was a little bit bigger than a 50, but well, it's right at a 50cc. So this is just part one on this one, and I'm not going to show the carb rebuild or anything. I might do, in part two, I might do some segments of tearing down the carb, but I'm not going to do the whole video. Well, then I might. You never know. You know, I'm not going to edit it, but I'll pause it while I'm doing the work. So, I guess we'll catch y'all plus tard.